Welcome! In this video, you'll learn how to protect your posts on X, previously known as Twitter, using the latest update on your computer. If you want to control who can see your posts and make your account more private, this setting is the perfect way to do it. Let's go through each step carefully so you can turn on this option in just a few clicks. First, open your browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your settings. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left-hand side of the screen and click on the More icon. This will open up a list of options related to your account settings. From that list, choose Settings and Privacy. This is where all your important controls and privacy tools are located. Once inside, click on Privacy and Safety. You'll find several sections here that let you customize how you share content and who can interact with your posts. Next, select Audience, Media, and Tagging. This is the section that controls who can see what you post and how others can tag you. Now, look for the option that says Protect Your Posts. To turn this feature on, simply check the box next to it. This action will make your account private, meaning only your approved followers will be able to see your posts from now on. After checking the box, X will ask you to confirm this change. Just follow the on-screen prompt and confirm your decision. Once that's done, your posts are officially protected, and you've regained full control over your visibility on the platform. From now on, anyone who wants to follow you will need your approval first, and your posts will no longer appear publicly. This is a great step for keeping your activity limited to people you trust. That's all it takes to protect your posts on X Web. It's quick, easy, and gives you the privacy you deserve. Thanks for watching.